This video is made for students still struggling with finding the course content, assignments, quizzes, and Annenberg. Let's say we go to the website. This is for a small portion of students. You need the basics, how to access the online D2L. So let's say we log in. Now I switch as a student. Okay, let's say I just use this course as one example. Okay, you log into a course and I switch as a student. And the left side is announcement. And pay attention to all the announcement because this is an online class. I will post the announcement pretty frequently. For the face-to-face, I try to minimize to once a week, but now the online class I could post it every day sometimes. So on the right side, you should see the reminders of your assignments. If you click on every of the assignments, it should directly link you to the assignment. Now, how to use your D2L for environmental science? In my class, I want you to go to content. And I will use the latest one, which is this week, what you're supposed to do this week. And I will put a course prescription here, and you're supposed to go through my list and do everything. Do not skip anything. This is the minimum I want you to do in the course. And if you skip anything, then you probably have trouble struggling later in the semester. So I have the lecture, I have the instruction here, okay? And I have the lecture PowerPoint slides and my video on YouTube. And use that according to your freedom, okay, how you use it. You feel free to go back and forth, but you're supposed to read and browse the chapter, know what we are going to talk about, and then listen to my lecture. That saves you a lot of time on understanding the content. And this is, I link every assignment, graded or not graded, to D2L. So you click those assignment links should direct you directly to the assignments. And let's say Annenberg. Okay, so if it's an Annenberg lesson or Annenberg lab, usually I will post the link and will direct you to the link. For example, this week we're going to do ecology lab, and follow my instructions. You open the simulator and you have all the settings here, right? And to start fresh and clean, you say all off. Then I want you to try different plans. You click on the plans and then you say run. And this will run for 100 days. And I give you this nice curve of each species. So you have the result, what happened at the last. Now, you want to explore different options of the predators, right? The higher consumers. Let's say we turn this off and we turn this on. And then you want to have another simulation, and you click the button run. And it will give you a nice curve of all the species, and you will see who survives and who dies. Now, let's say you want another setting, and every time you have to click all off, okay? Let's say we put this as A, this is a B, and the squirrel will eat the snail, let's say. And the birdie will eat, let's say, rabbit, Yes, they are. And now you can run another setting, and I give you this nice graph, like who is going to survive and the dynamics of survival of the species, and give you nice clean curves. That's your result. Okay, every time it runs 100 days. All right, so this is for the ecology lab this week. I'm going back to the lesson. I still use the 2009 class. And switch back at the student. You can see your grades and in course activities. Okay, click on. You will see your assignments and the quizzes. This is online class, so I don't have attendance. In face-to-face, you should go to the attendance. And if you click on the assignments, it gives you all the assignments with the due dates. And if you click on the quizzes, it gives you all the quizzes. Okay. For the collaboration, so the discussion is in the collaboration. You click on discussion. Those are the main components of the online D2L of my class. And you'll see all the topics in different chapters. Now, you want to say, I want to go to Annenberg. So this morning, I update Annenberg in the syllabus because I realized the old links to every class that were not existing anymore because the website is undergoing update. So I put the link to every lesson, and sometimes I would say this way, you don't need those links, but some people will click on the link and see they are not there, they will freak out. This link for the whole course of Annenberg, that works. So when you click that link, it gives you a nice clean view of all the lessons and all the labs here. For example, you want to go to the lesson 1, you click lesson 1, right? And you drag down. The video is very important. I want you to watch all the videos. So you click on the videos and you can start watching the video. And you also have options of online textbook, scientists. Those information help you to understand the video in case you miss anything. But if I were you, I just go back to the video and see where I was left off or where I do not understand. That's the fastest way to have the lesson done. Now, let's say you do not read syllabus, which you should. I'm gonna close my syllabus here. I'm gonna close the D2L. Let's say you don't have your syllabus, you don't have this D2L. You want to go to the lessons. You just do Annenberg, Habitable Planet. If you just Google Annenberg, let's see what happens if we do not know this long name. Oh, that will not do. So you have to put the Annenberg Habitable Planet, and it give you the website. And you click on the website. This is all the lesson you have. Okay, this is the ecology lab we're going to use in every lesson. So the last thing I want to emphasize is watch all the videos. I will show once more. Okay, let's say we go to lesson 4. Pay attention, it's not in order. The assignments of the quizzes are not in order. Do not assume this is week 5 and I'm going to do week 5. Sometimes I do, okay? But pay attention to which lesson you are going to. This is week 3, you are going to lesson 4. So we go to the ecosystem and we go to watch the video. And then when you watch the video, let's say you are hard to understand this tree, okay? You have trouble to understand why the rare species survive. you go back to this video and watch again. You can watch this over and over again. This is a fastest way to get your lesson done. But of course, if you have trouble really understanding what they are talking about, you can go to the online textbook. Let's say this is so for this chapter 4, it probably have not posted yet, but you can have other information about the scientists in the video and the interview with Dr. Crabtree and Stuart Davis, both of the scientists showing up in the video and do the important talks. Hope this will help you with your assignments and how to find the Annenberg.